Hello everyone, another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is a container. So as usual, we go through this website on AWS and learn something as described on their website. Well, if you look at here, it talks about why they are secure, reliable, and works better when you have Amazon or container running on Amazon. But the thing what you have to understand is, okay, first you need to understand the containers, and you have to have the concept of Dockers and why do you need them. So imagine, think of this container as a ship on the port having multiple container. So basically each and container, think of it as an app. So one container is app 1, another container is app 2, another container, which is the third one, app 3. So you have those 3 containers completely isolated and running their own process. So that's the concept there. So basically your underlying operating system is same, but for you to spin up different application, you are using the concept or using the feature which is called containerization. And then this is how it works. So that underlying operating system can be Linux, Windows, whichever, and you can have these individual containers running this way. So what's the benefit is that, so you don't have to spin up any operating system. Like you want to set up a web server, web services, you're not installing Apache or information server from Microsoft or Tomcat web server, whichever. Basically you just use a container and there you go. And another benefit is that they are scalable, they are reliable, and they are secure. And one more benefit of containerization is that you don't do the fix for an upgrade, because if you need to fix something in the container, basically you release that feature into a new container. So container 1, container 2, container 3. So when you set up an application in a container 1 and you have to fix something for security, or if you have to add a new feature or new capability, so basically you put that container 2 or app 2 container into the production and shut down your previous container or remove that. And that's the beauty, that containerization again is more fast deployment, rapid deployment, is secure, and then you do the version controlling basically from one container to another container. And now come to the concept of Docker. That underlying engine is a Docker engine, which can be one at the same time. You can use Linux or you can use Windows, whichever. And underneath that OS is your hypervisor, and under the hypervisor, which is a server host. So it's a layered concept. So server host is a physical server, Linux or Windows, and that Linux and Windows running a hypervisor, which is again the virtual machine. And on top of that virtual machine, you have a guest operating system. And from that guest operating system, you have a Docker layer. And from there, you're running different container. So I hope that makes sense. And if you like it video, let me know. If you have any comments and suggestions, please do let me know. Subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video with more cool topics.